Now, as West Asia reels from the never-ending war-like situation, once highly populated villages have turned into ghost towns. My colleague Sumit Chowdhury brings you ground details from the last village on the Lebanon-Israel border. Take a look.
Now TV9 team has reached the southern Lebanon area. We have been moving from Beirut and now finally we are in the southern part of Lebanon, and this is Sor. Sor is the last village of southern Lebanon on the western side. Especially you can see in front of me, you can see there are two types of flags. The yellow flags are for Hezbollah. The flags have been mentioned in all these areas just to show the presence of Hezbollah, how Hezbollah is dominating and powerful, and they have a strong base in this southern Lebanon. They are going to showcase it, and on the side there are the other religious flags of the Shia community. But the most important point is this is the main epicenter of Hezbollah presence, and you can see there are so many areas. On left of me you can see the Israeli post as well, although yeah, these are not visible in the camera, but yeah, these places are where Hezbollah have been dominating, and they have been continuously targeting the Israeli forces. Now when the war started last year on 7th of October, the Israeli main focus is only to destroy Hamas, but after almost 9 months they're not able to achieve that aim. But now their focus has changed. Their focus is now Hezbollah. Hezbollah is more powerful. They have a good strength of missiles and drones, and that is why they have been targeting the Israeli forces in the north part of Israel. And now Israel also retaliating to the southern part of the Lebanon, which is the epicenter of of Hezbollah. And you can see, you can find very minimum number of people on the street. There is no particular person on the street. Maximum number people have been on the last village, have been moved to the advanced areas, or they have been taking a shelters of the in their own houses with the help of their you can bunkers. But the main problem right now is the fighting has been still going on. Yesterday also the Hezbollah have targeted many locations of Israel, and once again they have been targeting continuously to the locations of the Israeli bases, their military bases, their command and control centers, and that's why now the war have been enhancing, and that is why the main problem for Israeli forces is to control the Hezbollah. We are right now in the South Lebanon area, and you can see behind me this is you can call it a chalk, or you can call it a place where the solidarity has been shown to all the martyrs of Hezbollah. This is Mousavi, who is the earlier commander of Hezbollah before Nasrallah, and these are the pictures of all martyrs who have been killed by the Israeli forces in the operations. And all these places you can see became the epicenter of Hezbollah, and that's why at every few meters there are some posters, banners to give the solidarity to all these martyrs who lost their lives during the operation against Israel. And you can also see the army of Lebanon army is also moving to all these places, and we are at the epicenter. We are at the last village of this southern Lebanon, and we are bringing you all the pictures and conditions right now when the conflict between the Israel and Hezbollah or in the South Lebanon have on the peak, and we are giving you the ground report. साउथ लेबनान में आपको एक और चीज़ जो बहुत दिलचस्प है वो देखने को मिलती है, वो है ऐसी चीज़ें, यानी ये इजरायली टैंक है। कहा जाता है कि 1982 या फिर 2000 के बाद जब इजरायली फोर्सेस गई तो उनके कई इक्विपमेंट या तो छूट गए या फिर लेबनान में हिजबुल्लाह ने उनसे छीन लिए, और इन्हीं को यहाँ पर स्मारक के तौर पर बनाया गया है। साउथ लेबनान में अगर आप देखें तो आपको ऐसी चीज़ें खास तौर पर देखने को मिल जाएंगी। और यहाँ पर देखिए हिजबुल्लाह ने साइन अपने, और उसमें कई चीज़ें मेंशन की हुई हैं, और मैं अपने एक सहयोगी हैं उनसे पूछता हूँ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दिस इज रिटन।
It's for the leader of the army of Lebanon.
Okay.
Yeah, this is in the attack of 2006 when Israel came here.
Okay.
This is one of the Israeli tank.
So it's of 1985, or it's basically 85, or it's from 2000?
It's from 82,
1982. 82.
when the Israeli army attacked Lebanon.
तो मैं आपको जैसे बता रहा था कि 1982 में जब लिबरेशन हुआ था, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं सिविल वॉर वाला सिचुएशन हुआ था, जब इजरायली फोर्सेस घुस आई थी खास तौर पर साउथ लेबनान में, तब यहाँ पर जंग हुई थी और उस समय यहाँ से इजरायली फोर्सेस को वापस जाना पड़ा था। कहा जाता कि बेरूट तक पहुँच चुकी थी और उसके बाद उस पूरी सिविल वॉर के अंदर या फिर कन्फ्लिक्ट के बाद लगातार यहाँ पर कई चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो आज भी आपको नज़र आएंगी, इस तरीके के टैंक, ऐसी चीज़ें। और ये इसलिए दिखाई गई है क्योंकि इजराइल लेबनान ये मानता है, हिजबुल्लाह ये मानता है कि उसने 2 बार और कई मौक़ों पर, कई छोटे ऑपरेशंस में भी इजराइल को पछाड़ा है, उसको खदेड़ा है और उसको मुंह की खानी पड़ी है। और इसी वजह से इस तरीके की जो चीज़ें हैं वो साउथ लेबनान में आपको देखने को मिल जाएंगी। यहाँ पर लोग इसको लेकर बहुत प्राउड होते हैं और ख़ास तौर पे हिजबुल्लाह की तरफ से इन स्मारकों की फ़ोटो या फिर चीज़ें हर जगह पर आपको देखने को मिल जाएगी। और अपने शहीदों की मैं आपको एक बार फिर दिखाऊँ तो कैमरा मैन अगर आप देखें तो किस तरीके से जो लेबनान आर्मी है उसकी प्रेजेंस जो है इन इलाकों में बढ़ती जा रही है और इस तरीके के इलाकों के अंदर अभी भी जो प्रेजेंस है बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है।
Now, exciting news for all our viewers. News 9 is also available on smart TVs. That's right. You can now stream your favorite English news channel directly on your smart TV.